My name na Chike Oge.
In the mood to love somebody, in the mood to party. Oh yeah, Mr. DJ put on for the play.
And una dey watch Talk.
Oh yeah, J1 Luagolo, make all these guys they ulambolo. Kilo Jeko Mono Woro. Magic and Nico Diadro.
All right, my name is Sheila BCFR, the Black Commandant of the Federal Republic. Now, so that they call me. When they watch Talk, you know now. People like us, they talk fire. If you come out here, you enter problem. We go talk on our life. That, oh yeah, keep watching Talk now.
Hey, my people have fun now. My name is J1. They call me Oluwa J1 and I Talk now they watch for Wazobia TV. God bless you. Thank you.
All right, you welcome back. Now still Talk and all of us today from inside the studio. I saw you say when we'll come back, we go get one casual guest where go join us inside the studio. But you go need to know waiting. The guest will be carry take join body. Now person where is CV. If you see him, you go do go push you go back.
So now let you
what I go on. But I go just need to tell you some things them where you need to know about this person will be carry take join body. Now this person a person where you don't get strong advocate for social media, make people they use social media for better things rather than say you use them for bad things. They say on top this one, so they can name and alongside other better celebrities them as Universal Peace Federation Young Ambassador of Peace. And for inside 2014, he can get one kind of surprise listing for inside the high-powered global listing as a World at School Global Youth Ambassador.
Wow.
Now, the thing plenty for me to tell you about this particular person we will get for inside the studio, but I could just tell you his name. His name na Chase Inegbedion, and him na UPF Young Ambassador of Peace.
Welcome.
Thanks, everyone, Chase.
Thank you.
This is your name. I don't understand. You don't get traditional name?
I get traditional name. My
What's
traditional name is Eldage. I be Edo, so I get.
It will not be road.
No, not very. We don't expect them, so we don't see. They say I take.
What wait till they wait for?
They say I take come. So when I come, so they come the happy say finally this guy don't come after how many years.
Thanks a bunch for you joining us inside the studio.
Absolutely.
All right, I could just kick the ball rolling. The reason why we actually bring you inside Talk Studio today because we discover say social media to some people na curse. To others they look am like blessing. But now I know say you go explain to us why we need to look social media as blessing, especially for business owners them. Why they need to see them as blessing.
And social media, people don't see them as things where people even rant on top, fight on top and all that. But we believe, say, social media, they use them for social good. And when we say social good, in one way, we mean say common good. Where if you take care of better, promote people, in line, say, maybe person where, like, I remember when we do the OJB campaign that time, you know, those kind of things whereby people feel online, where people feel they can take raise funds, they support the guy, when we do Safe Seyano, when we do a couple of safe cities campaign like that, whereby people go know, say, okay, beyond the hashtag, the handle, the social media walls, how you feel take encourage, say, okay, this person know they do better, but how you want use your own Twitter handle, they put regular message, you know, you go see people like Leke Ada, go they talk about relationship, so if you help people, couples take day better, whereby people go feel say, okay, they feel maintain their homes. Other people feel use them as a tool for engagement, say, they feel take promote the kind of social change area whereby you say, okay, you want to talk about education and health. You will see when you mention when you talk, say, I be World at School Global Youth Ambassador. For Nigeria now, we get about 10.5 million children who are not day school. So how you feel use social media to promote them? How you feel tweet that kind of thing to maybe UNICEF or UN or a couple of organizations like that, or even your own friends, maybe in a few day club or bar where you feel say, okay, today we'll make we just see how this thing fit trend. Make we see how we get about 1,000 girl child into school. Maybe we just come on this shy small. Maybe we say, okay, this is the number. So maybe I can't put that kind of engagement. Okay, this one talk say, okay, we get Anita here. Anita now 5-year-old. Though. Anita won't go primary school. Is there anybody here where if you just sponsor? And sometimes not be even money all this thing need. Some people feel just use their influence. Like we always say, celebrity influencers they a lot where they feel use. Imagine we get cool TV, girls retweet one tweet. Say, okay, we need people to do or one banky or one couple of people like that. So that kind of engagement, humanitarian act, they're very key, especially in the social media or where they trend. Because everybody go say trend.
But sorry to actually cut you, but with the kind bad like Queen Bee now, with the kind bad news we always read for year of how social media don't make some people lose their life. How will one country believe some kind of things where they on social media?
Like they say if you get some NGO, they go say NGO they chop money. And you go say because NGO they chop money, you not go feel help. When God don't say even the right hand, not go see the left hand when they give person money. Now so that kind of thing say they for all this kind of thing. We not go say because one thing don't come they bad. We not go want help the other good side of it. And we don't see how you don't take help. Imagine how they raise 1 man for one organization, try raise about 30 million in less than 30 days for one girl for India.
Really?
But the girl later died. But all these things, you go still need to at least emulate a lot of people. Say, okay, there will be presenter, there will be anybody. They still feel use their handles, take care of everybody.
Yeah, but I want to ask this question. Sorry, Amaka. You know, say we don't talk about actors now. I won't bring and come based on the story what we don't talk about. We don't talk about actors where they sick now, like the older ones, older generation, because this one are people where we go reckon with when time don't reach, when we don't hit box office, when Nigerian movie don't enter that level where people too they look or say yes we don't arrive, because right now me no say we did not step. And all our old heroes where we know we don't do better things, all of them they fall sick and all that. Some of them are now when people don't come accept, say, okay, we feel come out for social media, talk about 1 or 2 people, because we know they believe some stories too. Yeah. When somebody can talk about it, we know they sure. It just be like when Mona died, somebody actually hack into your account or something, retweet, say, no, I'm alive, I'm strong, and this, and meanwhile the guy don't die. And now we get another one, we don't come now. Somebody go say, no, I don't tire for this fake story. Somebody go say, oh, why this one no come out on time? How these people won't reach out to do them the right way? I just still wonder.
Those kind of things I we call social good advocates, whereby person go do what they call background check. You know, those kind of things where they will say, okay, like I remember that OJB time, we carry video, you go talk to him, okay, OJB, now true say you get this thing. Because sometimes for celebrity own, they even had us. Because you go believe, say, this is my bros where I don't they see for you go don't hammer well. But our own industry they different like that. People don't go see things in that way. And again, like you talk that time where they talk about this health insurance thing.
Yes.
They don't even form the national entertainment thing. So all this kind of thing in the fit tap. Then waiting will go advise those people where it be their body, like the actor gets and all. Yeah. May they not look say they be like old school, say they don't see. Now that time they go come do those individual sensitization, even if they don't go reach the man and all that. But the thing where we see the advice, even if they do social media, I mean they see they go offline. Because you know if they online they talk, say, okay, this man need money, this man. You don't try. Say yourself even go say, okay, I need the man account number, make I go put 5K, put 10, you know those kind of things. But people don't believe say small money, they go say I don't get at all. Even 100 naira if you show say you show concern, then if you they tell the next person. Some people say if you even lose their own self-esteem, say I don't even mind, even if you go yab me, sister, you get 500, you get 1,000. They go your offices around collect. Then they tell people say, okay, progress report like that for online. Okay, we don't feel raise this amount, or we need more. You know, those kind of things go encourage a lot of people.
Everything get limitation.
Yes.
This social media, everything is supposed to get limitation. What do you think should be that limitation? People go still look and say, okay, I don't reach this limit, I suppose pipe down.
Like waiting person talk one time where I say it's supposed to get regulations. And they say social media are like open source. You know, before even now go break news for our own station, people go don't hear them online, you know. But the kind of thing where we think say people feel just maintain, especially in my own kind of industry, is like we not go try say, okay, something don't happen to this person, and that person can say no, he don't know this person, and we just want to even assure people say, okay, no, they think say person will get large number of followers for Twitter, now they engage people more, or now get powers to influence, so they feel us and say, okay, you know, we chase, I don't know the guy not even, and the person will say, this person why don't they try build credibility on, you know, you go lose them, and you don't spoil that guy's reputation because you don't even know how far it don't go. Like I remember when they try raise money for one 5-year-old mutilated girl, it happened like that for Yola. So that kind of thing now, people go believe, say, okay, will they try even reach the hospital, say, make sure, say, people they see the account details, they know how far. So those kind of things that we they look.
Yeah. So on the lighter note, excuse me, I need to. On the lighter note, don't see what I talk about. You don't see what I talk about. On the lighter note, so we are very soft tonight.
On the lighter note,
very engaged.
me, I know say I no
searching
search.
anyone?
I know say I no search, but I dey very
Single.
available.
Single.
You know how Facebook they talk and they say single, complicated. I'm not even sure.
You know, it's very complicated right now. Okay. So we did.
So you dey available for Amaka?
No, I dey
Because
available.
we dey look for husband. Somebody must take Amaka this year.
Not true. Family pressure don't dey there this time. Sir.
All right, so as they come out here, just carry Amaka come out.
See these people.
Just
All
carry
right,
am come
but
out.
Tiana no dey to touch her and small. I mean,
But we fit touch her.
I'm not touching her. I'm not say Betiana.
Pass am.
We must touch our tongue.
Says, I know.
So you get wetin we dey like call talk the talk and do the do. And the touch away the house. We suppose the house no day right now. She will torture you, but we go day nice.
But we go still torture you.
We go torture
you
you
understand?
small.
Because you need to come inside Talk Studio and we will baptize you
Yes.
as our guest. So I don't
Now
think
you
that's
go
one for you.
enter the.
Now you go
confirm
answer the
talk
question
member.
with the answer.
So you be talk and do the do.
All right, they're very, very easy for you because I know you're a social media person you be, so you get mouth well. So for inside this paper,
Fearing is cashing me.
now
Fear not.
Afraid
for
to
inside
touch
this
you.
paper, now fortune. For that inside this paper, now good luck. You want make I read what in there inside, or you go drop money?
Make you read that.
Make I read it. All right. Now, what did they say by the talk? Say, toast one of the talk ladies in 60 seconds. Bam, bakam.
And your time starts now.
Now,
Oh yeah, you go first choose the person where you go toast.
You be advocate.
Start to toast.
We don't say you be quiet person.
Yeah.
You know they like talk.
Oh,
but
yeah,
you
yeah,
dey talk
time not
for
there,
all
time
day.
not
No,
there.
allow and do.
Now you don't reach when you go come out your hand for the talking and your mouth and take talk.
make it
Oh yeah,
talk.
make it talk.
Time don't
Find the
reach.
person
Oh,
where
yeah.
you toast. Oh yeah.
Okay. I did be say Amaka now.
Yes.
So I'm not
Why
supposed
you be
to
saying
go
now,
far.
Amaka?
I don't do lying toast you.
Now,
We are on the television.
Is that how you are toasting me?
No.
calm
You say
down.
make I behave myself and you is that how to toast?
When we leave them, when we leave them.
I go start. I don't forget my line. Oh.
Hey, time they go. Count for an time they go.
One,
You know, you look so gorgeous.
two,
You look so beautiful. I'm so enticed by you.
Yeah.
I think I could take you to Mama.
That line, tell me.
you know how to
Excuse
toast
me,
at
na me
all.
go give judgment.
Did he say he was single?
Wait, na me toast.
Okay,
Na me
you
go
like
give
her?
judgment. You look so fine. I
can take it to Mama.
You get where you go toast, go pack a shoe,
I
dust
did try.
and
I
run.
I never learned that market.
All right, okay, thanks a bunch of you.
Thank you so much.
I know say and people don't learn one or two things about social media. Say even though say bad things they happen for social media, you feel still do and they save your life. Thanks a bunch say you come out to do today.
Thank you so much.
All right, we're gonna need to buy a small break. When we come back, Bernardo, the handle man, go enter inside the studio and we're gonna do wrapping up things. But Coco of the day, now we're going to give you after this break.
We dey come back.
We is coming back.
Hello, now your boy Bidiso, Chica 100%.
When you wake up in the morning sun, just give praise to God who keeps you alive. Shante. What's up, my people? Now your boy Ajuju, and this na Talk on Wazobia TV.
Yes, so now welcome back, and I still talk Wazobia we did. If now want chook on mouth for all this plenty talk we talk, so when I rush enter I talk Wazobia. Right about now, I want giving a Coco of the day.
Gang, gang, gang.
You know how today I just say me I just giving a simple thing, and the simple thing be say if your partner come meet you, come tell you say I want give you true confession. I don't do some kind colobbing things behind your back. I don't cheat on top your head. Wait till you go. Do you go fit accept them back, or you go just break up the relationship?
Okay, we will give Ole Bernard privilege to talk for inside the matter.
If you don't do something behind my back, as you do behind my back when I go outside.
I just sit on my
Amaka, calm down.
Dress.
Not even explain.
Dress good. The old word does you dress go. Come on there. If, well, the truth be said, they say forgive and forget. Easy to forgive, but you have to forget. I'm not going to lie you. If the person not do something for your back, you will forgive, and if you truly love the person, like I tell you before, I believe in love. If the person do it for your back, you will forgive him. But the problem we did there, we say, anytime when something similar happen, you go down to say the person not do them again.
Yeah.
You know, so easy to forgive, it hard to forget. So, well, you know, go work like that.
All right, you were there. Tell us what you think. If your partner can't confess to you, say he don't cheat on you, you go forgive them, accept them back. Enter Twitter at Talk Wazobia. Right about now, we're going to launch our motivational quote of the day. And this one, it talks saying, always do your best because waiting you plant today, you go harvest them tomorrow. OG Mandilo, yeah,
can't receive rice.
Sure. So we tell you on Talk today, say make you always do your best because waiting you plant today, you go harvest them tomorrow. We get better manners of the day.
Yes, we better manners of the day. As Nano say today na Monday, and we go always bring you the one where you touch you small. The one we will get today, we say make you no eat with food for your mouth.
Thank you, Queen B, for bringing that out. You go canteen and then you they talk.
No way.
My sister.
You know, get down. Don't be like that. The food, maybe hot eba.
They talk. And so,
I can't say.
you know, funny enough, it did very disgusting.
Yeah.
For me to see food where they for inside your
God,
mouth.
you don't already
It
chew
did
am.
disgusting.
You
It did
know.
disgusting.
I beg, no gonna try avoid all those things. So they always give you these things, not be say because we sabi too much. We don't do this mistake and we feel say we go correct ourselves. So why not make us spread the news to you?
All right,
also?
make we just sharp read one or two tweets. At Sam Ellison Kels, you talk say, no, at Musty Coco, you talk say, I not fit marry woman wey senior me. My mom still not go even support that kind of thing. Give me a young blood and I'm ready to live long. At Ekele Faith, you talk say, we not fit blame Actors Guild of Nigeria, but if they get the member interest at heart, they suppose know when one gets problem. I blame both sides. Now, so you talk. You also come outside talk say, bruise matter, they make me laugh. If not my papa, I go one village for Kenya so that I go there far from him. Pong pong. Now wait till pong pong. Now wait till pong.
Blood is thicker than water, no matter how you
tell
run.
you,
You can't
right.
run from home.
All right, we'll come up for inside the studio today.
Yes.
Thanks about Ben and say you come.
You're
so
welcome.
tomorrow, hopefully, you go release Betiana to us.
She go
we
down
don't
come
chop
for
the
market by
super
that time, I will tell you.
All right, my name is Sirimen Uwi Ehika Musoi.
My name na Maka Okudiafo.
My name na Bernard. Handle everybody.
You do the person you.
Queen B, your name?
My own Queen B overload.
And as you always dey talk, say to talk not be bad thing, but
Make you know what you dey talk about. Peace, yeah.
Bernard.
Adu.
Come on, you go.